So hey guys, what's up buddy? So who's Mr. Nimaster, and like always I'm back with a new amazing video once again guys. So recently you may know that whenever you try to watch anyone public profile Instagram story guys, you may notice that you are not able to watch the story like previously you used to do from the web version of the Chrome or from the desktop, and this the login page was coming on again and again, and so you have to log in. So the main trick was to view the story enormously, and this was one of the things which really even I liked it. Yeah. So what you need to do, so for this what you need to do is guys, just go ahead to this website guys, and just simply just put the user whom you want to watch their stories, just put their ID here, and that's it. Once you're done, press enter, just click on this, and yeah, so after that you will automatically see whatever the story they upload, you can automatically view by this without logging in, and you are able to bypass this login page without doing this login shit. So yeah, so that's it for today video guys. I hope this small video is really helpful, and if yes, don't forget to like and subscribe. This is your host Mr. Master. See you in my next video. Signing out.